Welcome. In front of me I have NOKIA 2.4 and I'll show you how you can add another account to the Play Store. Let's open Play Store, then top on the right upper corner, go for the add another account. Next, let's use verification. I'm going to use pattern. Right now input your email. Click next. Okay, I just add the same account. Let's go for another one. And then just input your password. And right now just click next if you input password. Tap agree. You can save or not save the password, you have to decide. And right now, as you can see, when you tap right here, we can easily change between two accounts and we add the additional account to the Play Store. As you can see, it was very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.